Well, good morning everyone. How you guys doing this Wednesday morning? Wednesdays, you know how much I love Wednesdays just because they're the middle of the week, which means I have 3 more days of work and then we're off of the to the weekend. Oh yes. Oh yes, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Yes, before doing anything else, before keep watching the vlog, just give me thumbs up. Thumbs up. And today also is gonna be a great day. Oh yes. His answering back. I'm talking to the birds. No, a bear is a bear and birds. Right. That's what I say, right? Pajaritos are birds and osos a bear. Okay, dogs. So here I am at work already, but I don't feel like starting to work. I'll stay here for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna go inside. I don't know, every time I park here I feel lazy and sleepy. Hey, what up? So just finished the day. I feel exhausted today. So tired. And like we didn't have like super many orders, but still there wasn't enough orders for me.
Exactly, it's usually something like that, like your egg.
Volume down. So this wasn't like crazy orders like I was saying, but I was doing everything today. I did 200 orders, but they were like big, small orders, all kinds of orders. And I'm tired. So tired. Okay, Stu, let's go. Hey, what up? So we just finished church and now time to go home. I know these vlogs have been boring. Like today, nothing fun happened today. I just went to work, came back home, nothing else. It was just a boring day. Well, that's summer. Like in summer, that's winter. In summer, I'm planning to start doing my bicycle again, because that summer I didn't ride my bicycle at all. I just did it like once or twice. So this summer I want to do it more. Yes, I want to do more activities the outdoors. So time to go home. Yeah. Oh, okay, dogs, home sweet home. But time to go party with Snowy. Snowy, come on. Let's go party, Snowy. You know when to go party. When to go pee pee and poo poo. Where are your boots? Here are your boots. Here are your boots. Your bootsies. So I'm gonna get the front paws on front and the back on the back. So right here. These boots are really nice. Like they stay on his feet all the time. He's used to them. He's used to wearing them already. So you go here. You go right here. Then the back paws. Right here. Right here. Here. Right there. Wait. Right there. Right there. Ball inside. Steady this up. Good boy. It's funny. Now that I have my all-wheel drive car that is like snowproof, which is it moves better on snow than my Honda. Now that I have the car, it doesn't snow. It's like, come on. It was like 2-3 snowstorms this winter that I was with my car, but now that I have this one, nothing. It was like last year, it didn't snow as much, so we barely use our snowblower. It was like sitting there for a long time. Until last year we only used it like once. This year we used it like 2 times or 3 times already. But I guess I had to wait for the next snowstorm, which is gonna be maybe next year, because I don't think we're gonna get more snow. I don't think so. I think March 1st is already spring. Well, on the spring we'll still get snow. Yeah, maybe. Well, good morning everyone. How you guys doing this Thursday morning? This Thursday morning, sorry. Oh yeah, don't forget to give me thumbs up before everything, before you do anything. Just don't forget to give me thumbs up. And yeah, today is gonna be a great day. And look at that, it's so nice. It's so nice to wake up early, to drive early to work, so I don't have to worry about traffic. That is good. Good. Hey, what up? So, lunchtime, which means break time, which means nap time. Oh my gosh. The good thing, the temperatures are not so cold, so I can stay on the car. You know, actually this winter it hasn't been so cold. Some days have been super cold, but I've been able to come to my car and fall asleep here. It's good because on summer, it's like you cannot sleep with the car or you cannot be in the car because it's so freaking hot. That's a good thing about winter and fall. Sorry. So before going back to work, I think I'm gonna go get a coffee in Dunkin' Donuts. I shall do that. I should order from the app before I forget to get my coffee. Coffee. So I'm getting my coffee. Oh, this is the drive-through. The window's very tall, but now I have a tall car, so it's gonna be easier. With my car was all the way down. I remember. I'm waiting for my coffee. So this is a nice thing, okay, when you have a tall car, they can get to these drive-through windows that are very tall. You can access to them very easily. This way. Thank you. So, I got my coffee. Coffee. I love coffee. Hey, what up? So, finally. I got out. It's funny. I hate when we suddenly get like rush orders. I need to leave as soon as possible and they come late. It's like I need to run to do them. I don't like doing that. But finally going home. Hey, what up? So just finished in church. Now it's time for me to go home. So Stu, let's come. Let's go back. Back. Okay, there's no cars, right? You see there's no cars. Okay. No cars. Let's go. Okay, dogs. Home, sweet home. I is at home. Actually, I had to go get garbage stickers, which I hate getting it because sometimes I forget that we need garbage stickers, and then the garbage doesn't go next day. It's a pain in the butt. Well, it's cheaper doing that than paying for the monthly thing. Right, Snowy? Where are you going? Where you go so far? I got a nosebleed. I keep getting nosebleeds, like over and over again. Alexa, ceiling lights 100%. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, I keep getting them. This is like my 20th time I'm getting those nosebleeds. I've been getting it this side, now on this right side. It's like, that's annoying. Well, it's time for me to sleep, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, check the blog from yesterday and the previous blog right here. So, see you tomorrow and you see me tomorrow as well. Stu sings out. Good night y buenas noches.